So let's continue working on that index.js file in the posts folder on the all posts page. Here the goal is simple. I want to output all my posts. So later, once we don't just have dummy posts, but an actual data source, we will fetch all posts for this page and then output them in some way here. Now for the actual JSX code, for the detailed HTML structure, I'll again create a separate component to keep my page component lean and focused on data fetching. And therefore in the posts folder, in the components folder, I'll add a all posts.js file. Now attached, you also find a allposts.module.css file, which you should download and add next to that allposts.js file. And then in this allposts.js file, we define our allposts functional component, as we always do, like this. And we can also already import the CSS styles. So import classes from all-posts.module.css. And then work on the JSX code that should be returned here. And I'll keep this all posts page fairly simple. I'll just add a section which gets some styling with classes.posts. And then I'll add a h1 tag for the main title of this page, where I just say all posts. And then I'll again use the posts grid. So we will reuse this component. And therefore, of course, you also need to add this import. Now, I do expect that I get posts through props here from the page, because the page component should be responsible for fetching and preparing the data. And hence, on posts grid, we need to set that posts prop, and I'll just point at props.posts for this. And that is already it. It is a real simple component in the end. Now back on the posts page, on the all posts page, I therefore now want to return the all posts component we just worked on. And for this, of course, also add that import. And now here we again need to prepare the posts that should be used. For the moment, we can again use the dummy posts. So copy that dummy posts array from the starting page, but soon we will add a real data source. For the moment, it's this though. So that's our dummy posts. And then here in all posts, I'll just pass in posts and point at my dummy posts. And with that done, if we save this and click on posts here, we're taken to that page. We got the navigation bar there as well, because we wrapped the layout around all pages, and we got our post grid here. So that is working just as it should, and that's the all posts page finished. Now we got two pages left. We got the page for an individual post if we click on it, and we got this contact page. Now we could start with either of the two, but I would say let's start with the post detail page, so that when we click on a post, we load a page and we display the actual post content here. Because that will then also get us closer to setting up an actual data source and to setting up actual posts, which we can then fetch and pre-render and so on. So that's therefore what we'll do next.